Assalamu alaikum students. Today I will show how to how to find the correlation coefficient and regression equation on calculator. For we know students, we have discussed the correlation coefficient. This lecture I have also gone through. Now the remaining thing was how to solve, how to find the correlation coefficient by using calculator. Okay, students, this video explains you how to find the correlation coefficient by using calculator. For this, now I'm going to show the screen of correlation of the calculator. Thank you, student. Thank you for wait. Now, this was the data, students, that we have used in correlation analysis. Now, I am going to find how to calculate the correlation coefficient by using calculator. Okay, we have calculated, students. Now we have to insert the data into the calculator. For this, I'm going to click on the mod button. Now, student, you can see I'm going to change the calculator mode to stat, compulsory to stat, by using 3 key. And from the 3 key, we have part 2, number 2, where a plus bx is written. This is the same as the regression equation that we have constructed in earlier. Okay, now student, I'm choosing 2. Now, as I choose 2, there is two columns, one for x and another for y. Now inserting the data. Okay, we are going to insert the data. For x, 4 is equals to 4, and 3, 2, 5, 2, 4, 3, 5, again 5, 3 equal, and 4 equal. Students, these are 12 points. That weekly data was consist on 12 weeks. Now going for the y data, inserting the y data here. This is the cursor type key here. Y data starts from 26. 26 is equal to 28. 28 equal 24. The third point, 24, 18, 18, and 35, 35. Then 24, 24 equal 36, 36 equal 25, 25 equal 31, 31 equal 37 equal, and 30, 30, and the last point is 32, 32 equal. Now, students, as we have insert the data into the calculator, and now I am selecting AC. AC means the data stored in the calculator directory. Now, students, press Shift 1, 1. There is 3. This means that the 3 options is for sum of x, sum of y, sum of xy. All are here in 3. So I pressing the button 3. Here, students, you can see sum of x square on 1. So if I press 1, we have then press equal 174. 174 is the sum of x square, was the sum of x square that we have used in the correlation table, or correlation data, sorry. And now press AC. Again Shift 1, and again 3 for checking another sum. sum of x is on 2, so I press 2 and then equal. 44 was the answer of sum of x. Now again AC and then shift and 1 equal to, not equal to, option number 3. Then choose sum of y square is on at 3, so pressing 3 is equal to 10336, the right, and AC again shift and 1. Now students, sum is on 3, and they have to find number 4, sum of y. So sum of y is on 4, fourth key, so pressing 4 is equal to 346. Now again AC shift and again 1, again 3, because checking another sum of xy, product of x and y, is on 5 key, press 5, then equal again. This is 3 1 3 24, and it was 1324. Okay students, now going for the correlation coefficient, shift then 1, and there is a regression. See, REG stands for regression. Is it on 5? So pressing 5. Now students, you have here 1, A, 2 and B. These are regression coefficient. We have used B naught for A and B1 for the slope B. Okay students, pressing for 1. Now 1 is equal to, this was the B naught that we have found in regression analysis by using method of least square. Again press C for slope, shift 1. There is regression on 5, then press again 5. Here is 2, press 2 for B for slope. This was the slope 4.36. Students, remember, that was the slope AC. Then again shift for correlation coefficient, press again 5 for correlation coefficient. Correlation coefficient was is on at 3, then press 3, then equal to, see students, 0.82, which was we have found in correlation analysis. Okay students, Allah Hafiz till then. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.